What?
Nothing. Okay.
Okay, hey!
Hola!
So, this is our YouTube channel. And it's out of complete boredom.
You didn't even move that hair. Don't put it on my bed! Ew.
Okay, so this is our YouTube channel and it's out of complete boredom. We figured we'd give it a try, just like everyone else.
It's a good excuse, I would say.
Right?
So, I'm Tatiana.
And I'm Dakota. Our name is a little weird, cut short, so what do you mean? Our YouTube name. It's cut short of our name.
What, Dak and Tat?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dak.
I look like I have fucking lip gloss on. What the fuck? Don't.
Anyway. I don't think you're allowed to curse on YouTube.
I just You could be like,
I have to beep it out. We're gonna beep it out.
yeah, I think you can.
I don't know, but I'm gonna beep it out anyway. Oh, okay. But yeah, this is basically just an intro / getting to know each other. If anyone watches this.
I know. We're gonna have
like
views.
6 views, and that's it. But we just got back from the mall. And
The mall. Gossip lover!
you can't tell people that.
Why?
They're gonna stalk you.
No.
Okay. But yeah, that's why we have our jackets on, and yeah. I'm sure that we'll be posting a lot of videos on here.
Hopefully.
Even if it's just me or just her informing you guys like what's going on.
With goodies.
I guess this is this is just kind of like a video blog. Yeah.
Vlog. That always reminds me of Mr. Beta.
Yeah, like video.
He's never gonna watch this.
Video blog, I guess, telling you our stories since we have lots of them.